One of the biggest lessons that you're gonna learn in life is to enjoy your own company. It's something that's gonna take years. But when you get to a point that enjoying your own company in the peace of your house is more attractive than going out and doing anything, you know that you did something right. Because you work everything up to a point that you look in the mirror and you love that person. You say, I really love you. Learn to be alone is one of the biggest assets that you're going to acquire in life. Alone, you can win battles. You can work on yourself. You can make everything better if you learn how to enjoy your own company. Think about it.